What's up, YouTube? It's your favorite barber, your favorite people, David D. Sharp, coming to you live from the Sharp Zone. I know. It's been a hot minute since I posted a video, but I've been coming up with different creative ideas to bring you the greatest and latest utensils and tools in this barber industry, and be on the lookout for the full review of this special unboxing coming up next. Stay tuned.
Haircut so fine, D-Sharp's design, looking fresh, feeling prime, gotta make it mine. D-Sharp style, keep it wild. Haircuts, cologne, reviews that make us smile. Barbers touch, cologne so sweet. D-Sharp's the one we gotta meet. D-Sharp style, keep it wild. Haircuts, cologne, reviews that make us smile. Barbers touch, cologne so sweet. D-Sharp's the one we gotta meet.
What I hold in my hand, ladies and gentlemen, is changing the barber industry as we speak. Let's go ahead and dive into this unboxing of TPOB's most recent drop, the Orange Play Clipper Set. Let's get into it.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, the moment we have been waiting for, unboxing the TPOB's Play Orange Clipper Set. And as you see, it comes with the Psycho blade for the trimmer. Shout out to TPOB. Thank you for the opportunity to even get a hold of this clipper, because one of the cool things about getting this clipper is if you're a part of the Slime Gang chat group, they ask specific questions what the barbers want. And I threw out there that I would love to see this clipper set in orange. Then boom, your boy got it in orange. But as you see here, this comes with your manual guides for your close shaver, your trimmer, and your clipper. Going ahead and unwrapping this close shaver. I love how this feels in the palm of my hand. I do have Andre the Giant type hands, so having something that's shaped as such, and the design of it fits like a glove in my hands. It feels non-slip. I love how this has 2 speeds to this design, to this close shaver. It's very quiet, as you can hear or you can't hear. I love that the top has a magnetic connection, so there's no unnecessary snap and you're worried about losing your top, or you're worried about your foil shaver, being loose or whatnot. And it also has a snap design to it, along with the magnetic connection. I love that. Moving on to our trimmer, our Play trimmer, which has the Softy blade on it as a default, which I'm gonna switch out on another trimmer to use for my younger kids. But this trimmer, it fits like a glove, just like or similar to the grip design of the close shaver. It feels non-slip in my hands. The tapering off towards the bottom of the design and shape of the trimmer, it fits so comfortably in my hand to where I don't have to worry about it being so bulky in my hand and feeling uncomfortable while I'm edging up my client. And we got the SnapTech Play Clipper. Same design as the trimmer when it comes to it tapering off to a slim design towards the bottom. It feels wonderful. It feels great. It has 2 speeds to it, similar to the close shaver. I'm really looking forward to how my fades come out with this clipper, because it comes with the chunk blade as default, so you don't have to order the chunk blade. It comes with the chunk blade. And just like the trimmer, they both have their own screwdrivers, so you don't have to worry and guess and strip your clipper or trimmer screws. And as you see here, we have the coup de grace, the charging base for your clipper, trimmer, and close shaver. One thing I'm going to point out and mention about the charging base that I love so much, that it has the left and right side connections for your power plug. Awesome thing that I loved so much about this clipper set is that it comes with its own guards, from the half guard all the way up to the 4 guard. What I love about the design about these clipper guards is that it feels non-slip. It's tight and snug when you attach it to your clipper, so there's no additional space between the blade and the guard itself to where you'll have to be concerned if it's gonna shift or if it's gonna rattle or move a little bit. It's nice, tight, and snug. And in the review video that I'm gonna do, showing a live demonstration of haircuts with this set, I'm going to show you how clean these fades come out. You won't believe it. Maybe you do believe it and you are a part of the slime gang and you already know what time it is. You're going to love how your fades come out. And just like I was just speaking about, you have the option of putting the power plug on the left or the right side of the charging station, because as you can see, the way my station is set up, I have all my cords to the left, away from the right side where I like to stand majority of the time while I service my clients. All the cords out of the way. And that little piece right there that I just put back in the box, that is to adjust your clipper's blade so where you can get it a precise and accurate zero gap without it overlaying or not just meeting the meeting between the moving blade and the stationary blade. And here is the complete setup of the Play Clipper Trimmer and Close Shaver set. It looks wonderful.
Well, that'll do it for my time, ladies and gentlemen. I appreciate each and every last one of you that come to my page, share your thoughts, your opinions, and your experiences in this barber industry, and of course, the beauty industry as well. And help us reach our goal of reaching 1,000 subscribers. We are not too far away from our goal. Stay tuned to the next video because we are going to break down the specs and display live while using each clipper and trimmer and close shaver, how well it works, the specs of it, the run time, all of it, breaking it down so you can get a closer look and examination of how well TPOB, the Pissed Off Barber, its brand, does really well on your clients. And until the next video, as iron sharpens iron, one person should sharpen another. Peace. Stay sharp. What was that?